Hi everyone. Today I will talk about prototype property in JavaScript, and we will see how we can use this prototype property in your projects and what is the use of it. In order to understand prototype property effectively, let's first go through an example. So I have created a function constructor, and from this function we are going to create objects, and it has two methods defined, get first name and get last name. Now, what if I want to add one more method to this function? The easiest option for me is to define the method here. So let's say if I want to print full name, I can create a new method for it, get full name, and that full name will return this dot first name and space and this dot last name. And we can get the full name information from this method. Now, what if I tell you that you create a new method within this function, but you don't have to modify this function? So we don't want to modify this function, and yet we want to create or add a new method to it. So we want to dynamically add a method to it. Dynamically add method. In order to dynamically add method or any property to the objects that we are going to create with this function, we use prototype property. So all I have to do is user dot prototype dot get last name is equal to, and then I can copy this whole function. And that's it. We have added a new method to this function constructor or to this function with the help of prototype property. And now if I create a new object, user equal to new user, and then let's type first name and last name. I'm using dummy values here. And if you print console.log user.get, this should be full name. So this should be full name, get full name. This will print the full name. Now that we know about prototype property, let's see when we should use it. Now imagine a scenario in which you are using a script that is hosted on the cloud, and this function is coming from the cloud, and you want to have one more method defined here which prints the full name. You cannot modify the script that is hosted on the cloud, but yet you can dynamically add the method to this function using the prototype property. And that is how we should use it. The prototype property adds this method to this function, and whatever object you create from this function constructor, you will get this get full name method with it. But what if you just want to have this get full name method available only for a specific object? In that case, you can simply do user dot get full name. So in this way, you just have this get full name method available only for this user. If you comment out this code, so if I comment out this code, it means that this get full name method is only available for this user object. If I do user1, then user1 will not have this get full name method. So this is all about prototype property. It's not a very huge concept. It's a very simple concept, but I thought to cover it with this short video. And if you like this video, please share it with others, and I will see you in the next video.